This video is going to show you how to change the chuck on a cam lock spindle nose. Place a board on the ways to prevent any damage. Select the proper wrench. It is the one with the smaller square on the end. Either one of these wrenches are correct. The actual chuck wrench has a square that is too large. This wrench should only be used for tightening or loosening the chuck jaws. Locate the cam locks and loosen them to your left. There will be 3 or 6 cam locks depending what lathe you are using. Make sure both of the marks are lined up on all cam locks before the chuck is able to come off. The chuck should now be ready for removal. If it does not come off easily, you may have to gently tap the back of the chuck with a hammer. Be careful to not drop the chuck on the floor. Clean the spindle nose and the inside mounting surfaces of the chuck. Be sure to remove all dirt and small pieces of metal. Place the new 3-jaw or 4-jaw chuck back on the spindle nose. Be sure to line up the studs in the holes. Hold the chuck tight against the spindle nose while you tighten one of the cam locks. Tighten the remaining cam locks. Be sure to tighten clockwise to your right. The marks should no longer be aligned. You are now ready to use the lathe again.